Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. A very special. And guys, it's a bright morning here, and we want to done some job with Mr. Gake. So wherever you are, guys, much greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this vlog for today. And actually, if you make these videos, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also share my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So I thank God for the gift of life. So to see a bright morning like this, So right now, the sky is limit, guys. So like yesterday, oh man, the weather is so bad. Every time rain. So we work with the time. So that's 10:09 a.m. and actually that is my local time over here. So that's my local time, and we're heading to the river to connect the generator and all stuff. Hey, wow, they are chilling here. We have another one outside here. Wow. So I'm heading down, and we were together with Mr. Gaki from Nyabohanse. Actually, he went to purchase we call kerosene or gasolino. Gasolino. Wow. So was just a minute, guys. My camera went like cover dust. So we are going to connect the generator and pump water to the fish pond. That being said, that is it. Wow. Guys, subscribe, like, and I see also these trees are shedding leaves, flowers there, some beautiful flowers. Let me show you. Look at this. You see over there. Wow. And you can see that view. So like we have a lot of rain in this compound here, and actually I'm heading on this way. We have the back gate at the river. Oh guys, just a minute. I'm tightening. Right, so let's go. Well, guys, so I wanna pass this. Oh, the water is so cold, but I'm trying my best to pass here. Whoa. It is what it is. Woo. And then that's how we pass in water like this. Then finally we go. Actually we take shower here, or we bathe here in traditional way. For me, it's long time. So actually we're heading this way, and now we need to connect water. Whew. So it's clean water. Imagine. We are blessed enough for this pine is doing good here. Whew. So neke simu kwa mfuko wako wa mbele na. Okay. Maybe I can put my phone there. Ushaweka mawe?
Ani save hiyo nini yangu. Alafu niletee nichukue kwa yangu huko.
Kuna kamera. Nimepata. Leza. Tutachukua. Karibu. Nitafuta sehemu. Hiyo ni GoPro. Ushaweka mawe? Hapo na phone. So, niende niweke ile pipe kwenye mle maji.
Nishaweka.
Sheliweka na hiyo tu.
Nilifunga.
Como antene akusuria abantu ko vipi? Weka maji kwa pipe. Weka maji.
Kama pandisha bote huko napo juu.
Wow guys, so we already finished tightening here. Busha kabisa. Hapo. Wacha guys, you heard that's the generator over there. We finished pumping water and technically we make sure that the fish have enough water. When you see the fish pond is producing water, so we must add them. Wow. Whew. I'm going back. So that's the generator at the back. Over there. Imagine. And then we shall see what is going on or what we're supposed to do. Apart from pumping water, maybe for me I'll take a djembe and start uprooting unwanted weeds alongside the house or the villa. Maybe when it's when I found them, I uprooted them. Yeah. Yeah. Nizime. Oh guys, I'm supposed to turn the generator off. Oh. Oh. Maybe there is some small mistake. So I'm supposed to turn the generator off. Woo. You see me? Wow. Maybe there is some leaking of water. Maybe on the pipe where we connect. So for me, I think that we finished everything. So far, so good. Okay, but the water is going. This is the water, guys. Wow. And this generator have power. Okay, it's Honda. Wow. Honda is a big company, a big machine. So this is our work for today. Oh man, I feel like I could remove my Marvin. All right. Okay guys, we shall see for the next videos which you're supposed to do. And in case you make these videos, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Load to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate it, man. Love is for free. Show me some love, and I'm here to appreciate. And all the way, positive vibe always win. You know, me, I'm just positive vibe, man. I'm just mind with my own issue, focus with my own things. All right, so that is it. So you can share my videos to your family, to your friend, and by saying let's support Hello Baby Official by subscribing, watching the videos until the end. So we just over here as a teamwork, you know, teamwork. We just over here as a teamwork, and east to west, home is the best. Here is the second home, man. Wow. So I'm waiting the results from Mr. Gaki. What is happening, man? And then maybe turn the generator on here. Wow. So guys, I'm supposed to turn the generator on. So maybe I'll press my camera here. Maybe here. Oh guys, I'm struggling. I'm pressing my camera here. Okay. there. Okay, so guys, so let's see another work to do. So for me, I'm just following the Bible like that, you know. All right guys, we shall meet for the next video, guys. Enjoy. Wow, let's go. And here supposed to close. Take it like that. So let's check whether the pipe is okay, you know. So and then we shall see what next. What's next, yo? Imagine I was left my phone in the river. It's so crazy. But I have the sharp mind, you know. Okay. Rio, Baba. We have Rio here. And that being said, Rio, we have Rio and Malaika here. Wow. That's Rio, Malaika. Okay. Like, so I'm supposed to kill this corner like that way. That's my like. All right. Okay. See what is going, what is running good, and at the same time, we're supposed to dig these fruits like mango, which we planted here before Mara left. That's the mango, so we're supposed to dig them. That's the pigeon. We have white, green color. Whew. Okay. What happened next? Wow. So I got to look the djembe and do some places it's supposed to be dig out. Unaenda wapi? Eh. Oh. Okay. There's Mr. Gaki. He went to clean over there. And these are laundry here. We wash clothes. We hang like that. Okay. And for me, the work for today is to remove this part here, like this one here. Oh, this place, man. You know, to make the villa look outside very clean, no green everywhere. Right. Wow. So water is going like crazy. You see like this part here? Or I come with the djembe and then clean up. Look. And we can pump like let me say 1 hour. 1 hour is enough. So for me, let's bring the djembe and start removing stuff here. Maybe the green ones that you see here. Oh, Okay guys, Aye. So guys, I'm taking the djembe, and I was telling you that I'm going to go around the villa. When I found the green, I uprooted them with this one here, you know. I uproot them. I want to place my camera somewhere and start removing this part here that you see. Ugh. Maybe here. Okay, so let's go. Go like this. Oh guys, okay, there is better. So here, see like this one. Right. Wow. So for me, it's to clean. Oh guys, so as you can see, so I have already put it here, and I think there is no need to use a djembe, because here you can uproot them. Some others, they're not needed for using djembe. You can uproot like that. When they are needed, djembe can use. When not yet, and then I'll come later to collect them. Maybe. So I have to place my camera here. Maybe you could see what I'm doing. Over there. Like that. So I'm just putting some grasses here. Wow. You see like this one? And later we'll come to collect them. So I put aside, like, oh man. So make sure that I'm maintaining hygiene here. Okay guys, so I think I've already finished this part here, and before I move on the next step from here, I want to go this way. But before that, I'm going to look for the basket to collect this stuff that I was uprooting here, like this one here. We have another one over here. We have much of them here, so I'm going to look for the basket, and then I came to collect. So I'm supposed to reach on this corner here, and then I'll start to collect. You can see this, even this one here. When I remove, like, to avoid mosquitoes, you know, things like that. And then it's supposed to be there. So I'll go this way. You can see the green, that one. I start uprooting them. Wow. So let me look for the bucket, a small bucket. I think coming this way it's clean, but over there I'll move it there. Hey. I'm gonna look for the small bucket here. Just looking at this one here. So I collect them where I was uprooting some stuff. Whew. Hey, these trees, it have some cold shade. Oh. It's having some cold shade like crazy. Ow. It's freezing like a fridge. That tree is there. Oh, so it's my time to collect, and we shall see what next. Yes, you know it's good when you work, if it's small place, you collect, and then we move on. So that's how we vibe at the village here. Wow. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about today's videos. Are very special, and I will just flow with the vibe, man. Oh, because you have too much of the sun, but you can see me clear, guys. So I'm just collecting the rubbish here where I was working, and then the place could be look clean. Like, this is a highway, we normally pass here, maybe connecting pipe to the fish pond, and also right now the water is running. This is the water, man. As I speak right now here, the water is going to the fish pond right now. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. Oh guys, so right now I have already finished this way. I divert to this point, so I'm just uprooting them, and we shall see where we can reach for today. You know, so we didn't like this stuff like this one over here. You know what you mean, guys? And it's easy to uproot them, not hard. Maybe you can say, oh, hello baby, why don't you use a djembe? It's easy to uproot them, you know. Even a baby can uproot this one. It's easy to uproot them. Oh, this is lemon, guys. Oh, there's lemons. I can't uproot them. There's lemon left there. Oh guys, so I'm going to throw this one, and I think that is where the work for today it can reach. Oh, I'm heading this way, guys. take that view. Wow. So I'm going to throw them, and I shall see maybe how things move on. Well, so you have the rubbish here. Well, you can throw the rubbish, and then when it's dry up, we must burn them here. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for those people watching my videos until the end. Just flow with the vibe, you know. Here we flow with vibe. So let me check. Left there. So let me check the tomatoes which we plant. When I'm going this way, guys, you see me clear. But I'm heading this way, guys, to check our tomatoes, how it's doing. Hey, what? Okay, let's move on. Wow. So we work here. You know, without working, you can't put maybe food on the table. Serious. Here you must wake up in the morning, you work. At the end of the month or the end of the day, you put something on the table. You can eat, you know. So you must work. You know, for the... Me, I'm not the guy who may be sitting idle saying, whoa, whoa, whoa. Me, I'm just working, struggling hard. Maybe in the future, when I'm starting enjoying my fruits, no one can say, baby, why not? Right now, I'm just working smart. Wow. And guys, don't forget, you can support maybe in terms of tiles on my project. Love is for free. Right now, I have already purchased like 5 boxes. They are on under hardware. So I want to collect, when it reaches 30 boxes, I want to install at once, and then I forget. I move for the next maybe project for my mama dream house. And if you want maybe to support on my mom's dream house, you can support maybe 1 tipper for the lorry, for the sand, for the stones. And especially, I'm based on stones. You know, like this season when you purchase a sand, it can flew with rain. So right now, if you want to support maybe in terms of stones, balance stones like 1 lorry, and it goes to 50 to 60 USD, you can support. And I'm just over here, I made a videos, you see. And also, if you want to support maybe in terms of tiles, to tile on my project or in my toilet, I can tile. So right now, I'm remaining with 25 boxes. When I get that one, I finish the toilet. But for now, I've already purchased the 5 boxes I left on the hardware. So when it reached 30, I'll go and collect all of them, and then I install on my toilet, guys, on my modern toilet. If you don't believe on me, go and check on my videos. I was showing you my from scratches up to where my toilet reach. It's by God's grace, by God's power, and I'm just over here, guys. So if you want to support on me by buying the tiles, you can do so, guys. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. And for me, I support my family. That is it. So I know for the haters, they wanna start talking about, oh, Hello Baby. Me, I don't care, man. No matter what, I'm just flow with the vibe, you know. For me, to be honest, I need your help. You can help me to tile my toilet, and then I finish up. That is it. So for today, whoa, I'm going to check. Oh, the tomato was coming on that small angle, so I'm heading this way. And actually, I'm going to look for the tomatoes. There's something that were being planted here. Maybe some veggies, because I see some lines, and along we see some tomatoes. Wow, let's go. Me, I'm always even. I see some suckers here. One of these days, I could maybe found a place or at the back of my toilet to plant small garden for my mama skuma. Wow guys, it's doing good. So that being said, for me I have hands to plant things. Look. Hey, I'm good. Why? So guys, that being said, for me 100% I have some hands to plant things and it can do good guys. Imagine like these tomatoes, less than few weeks here, less than, let me say 3 weeks, no 2 weeks. Imagine it reached at this point and it's already shedding leaves. So when it starts growing, or we start planting here some stick, and then we take this, we tie them so it roll on the stick around this one here. Wow. So we need to plant, we need to dig at once, and then we top the fertilizer, and then we spray the chemical, so the tomatoes doing good and nothing is messing it. Look, it's coming big, man. What? That's the work, that's the work of my hand between me and Mr. Gak. So we plant here. Also there's some tomatoes here. Wow, it's doing good, and we just appreciate with our work that we have been doing. And also here there is some yams. You can see how veggies there. Man, we can't complain here in our village. If hey, nini asa, unajua mafuta hayamo vizuri, hatu tikisu sikie, yani kuja kupa ufungu iga. So here we just flow with vibe. So that's Mr. Gaki requesting me a motorbike. Wow. So I want to help my brother. You know, these things, it's meant for the world, it's man-made. So I gave him a motorbike, and he was going to maybe to convert the video at the market there, and then we'll come. Wow. So that means apart from that, that's my brother from another mother. But man, if you remember, I and Mr. Gaki, man, we struggle a lot. We struggle a lot at people's construction. Like, we have one of our national school here. We work the whole year, and then postponed, this month to get money. We just working this month to get money. For us, we just working, and then we say, it's a government institution. So maybe the end of the year you can have the money. Even up to now, me and Mr. Gaki, we didn't get any payment, but we said all is well, God is good, and then we get this opportunity maybe to be working. Even up to nowadays, we're working together, and we thank God. The small amount of money that we get, we appreciate, you know. But that one you forget. Even me, I can't remember how much did left on that school. But east, west, home is the best. Me, I'm just working here. Sasa mbele yako liko pale. Kwa nyumba yako. Okay. So for me, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you for those people watching my videos up to nowadays. And guys, don't please funguo. Acha nikuja kupika hapo ndani. Kwa ndiweka siju kwa draw. Anile milango mikubwa. Ufungue. So guys, don't listen for those people who maybe they try to pull me down. If you listen to them, it's upon you. But for me, I have nothing to do with them. I'm just mind with my own issue. So I'm returning the gem this way. For me, I'm just minding my own issue, you know. So no matter what, no matter it's hard, me I can't maybe done a reaction video or reacting to somebody. That's a kind of stupidity I don't like. And for me, I'm just flow with vibe, guys. Flow with vibe. Chat, I'll look the good friend and then I'll book the aeroplane from here. Imagine that feeling. Hey. Imagine that feeling, guys. To book an airplane from here. Mr. Ake. Wow, guys. So I'm going to fetch water because Mr. Gak have already cleaned here, and the rest of the part are mine. So I'm going on the other side. So let me fetch water, guys. Wow, because here we organize our duty according to the place. So they have already done his own part, so I'm remaining with my part. And he have already feed the fish, guys. Big shout out to Mr. Gake. Hey, amazing man. Big shout out Mr. Gake. So this is the bucket here. I'm going to fetch water from the borehole, and then we start cleaning on my part. Wow. You know, here we just follow the positive vibe. And I know for the haters said, oh, 1, 2, 3. Us guys, we don't care. We don't care. We team positive all the time. You know? Wow, so like for me, man, I'm grinding hard to achieve my goal, to achieve my dream. And people start bring dramas, of which for me I don't care anymore. So I fetch this one. Oh, we have Ria and Malaika here. This is Malaika grazing here. Imagine Malaika Baba. So that's Malaika. Of which we don't care. We just follow the vibe. That is it. You know? So like we're working hard, grinding hard, and I thank God because God bless us a lot. And for those people watching our videos, I want to say thank you a million because you made it possible. You spend your all time sitting down watching my videos, and I want to say thank you a million to you. Big shout out to you because you made it possible. You know. So that being said, YouTube is a game changer. Today you win, tomorrow you lose. That is it. And then if you win, keep grinding hard. If you lose, keep grinding also hard. You know, nothing come on silver platter. Imagine that there's some water here, and then I spend my time going down. Look, this is water. Look, it's water. But I realize, I noticed later, there is water here, and I spend a lot of time. You know? Wow. These are team positive, man. All the time, all the way. So let me down with my pots, and then we shall see how things they are here. So I'll take this mopper. I think there is a mopper here. This one here, this is a mopper, guys. This one. Let's move on. Okay, we just go for the next on other side, guys. Oh, because of light, I'm struggling. Man. So let me start from the far end, coming this way. Mine is a fish pond, so I want to clean here. You see? I want to clean them here. Serious. Minus jokes. You see, the fish are feeding. The fish. Oh, so here we do like this. Let me start from here. There's Kenya. Imagine. Kenya. I start from here. Or from this angle. From this corner. Look guys, you see how I'm cleaning? I'm cleaning the fish pond, guys. Right now, look. So because I didn't have the camera, man. And here you must be very careful, because you might find yourself down. Wow. Amazing one. So that being said, from the far end, when you pump water, when these fish ponds are filled up with water, so the water coming this way, this one is full of water here, rather than that corner. I had the dog making noise. That's Kenya. Kenya baby. How is you, Kenya? Yeah, we're just cleaning this one. Kenya baby. That's Kenya. You know Kenya is very familiar, guys. Yep. Just clean like this way. So I wanna find a place where I could place my camera, and then maybe you could see what I'm doing. You know? I'm not the guy who faking things. Well, maybe here you could maybe see me working from the far end. Maybe from here. You see me clear, guys. Wow. So I'm cleaning coming that way. Wow. So, aha. Okay. You see, guys, I'm coming. So I'm just working like this. Wow. Let's move. Maybe I'll place my camera this way or this way, guys. Wow. Maybe here. Let's get. Come on. Oh guys, did you see me better? I'm cleaning here. Wow. So just coming closer, guys. You know. So we make sure that everything is okay and well organized as we move on. You had the birds. Wow. That is the crutch of the vibe, man. You had? No. Look. You had? That is the birds, man. So, guys, I'm cleaning up that way. We shall meet for the next, maybe for the final attaches over there. Oh, guys, so let's go back to the Buhansi and Sagaki. And I feel like where my cape, guys. Whoa! Woo. Go ahead. Huh? Nice. Wow, guys. Outside. Look at the days. It's doing good. But we have the church. And come on. Try to do that again. As stylistic again. That's Mr. Gaki on the control. Wow, it's huge transformation for the perimeter wall. Have the goats over there. Hey. Well. Hey. Now a sharp corner here, Mr. Gaki. You can pee, yes, and then this corner, guys, here. This corner, you don't know. Oh, guys. Yeah. motorbike, the van. guys, that's how our village looks like. People are improving by building the house. Sasa nivingie kwa ng'ombe katika some cows here. That's how village looks like. Very amazing. Utakula changanya na mbele. Wow guys, so I'm just around here. Oh, sorry for that. Wow. Wow. That is Safaricom. Wow. Hey, big machine. Wow, Mercedes Benz. Right. Oh. So today I'm decided to pass here at the back. So it's long time, and we normally use a shortcut maybe at the back. If maybe you want, maybe if you don't want, maybe to interact with many people at the tarmac there, you pass here. Wow. So today I feel like I could visit David Junior's site. It's long time, man. Woo! Look guys, this place. This is at the back at Nyabahansi. We call Nyabahansi Street. Wow. Even there's some caves here. Maybe I want to show you. You can see them. Wow. So I'm telling you here, in our village, farming is our backbone. Serious. They are being used to pump water here. There's some construction going on. So you can see the pipe here. Means that wewe ni pasulia ambao vibaya wewe. Wow. This is construction over there. So the village goat. Wow. Look at this place. And I'm so grateful, man. So maybe if I visited there for the first time. It's long time without passing there. Ooh. Oh my god. So there is some water here. And we can see how we pass like over there. So here you must be very, these are green colors. Here you must be very careful, or else you fall down. I'm telling you, you fall down. Look at this wastage of resources. Even right now, no one is staying here. Look, imagine. This enhance the market to the world. Ooh. Let's see. So this is David Junior's construction. I wanna see what's going on. Kuna geti? What? They were being closed here, guys. But although I've already seen, guys, I was working here seriously, mixing the concrete. Let's move on. This is where Chief Matiko recently home, guys, before migrate to the next modern house. Imagine here and here. Wow. So I'm laughing, but there's one when I was working here, the foundation gave me some job up to now, so that's why I was working hard. Imagine to dig, there's a pillar from there up to this pillar here, and people start earlier than me, but for me I start late and then I finish up this perimeter over here. Where you see. Right, guys, so this is the real African life. Even me, I was born in that muddy house. Although my mom, she was working so hard, and it's a muddy house, but molding every month or every year, molding like thrice or twice. And this place give me a job. From that pillar, we count 1, 2, 3, and then to make matter worse, I was starting late. Other people have already started and go like 1.5 feet, and for me I start from 0, and then I defeat them. I'll be number 1. So that is it. And these avocado trees, and during that time we were sitting here with some handman, mason, taking there within here, and life continued up to now, and I thank God where I was starting from scratch up to now. I want to appreciate by saying thank you a million for my fans, or for our fans who are watching my videos up to nowadays. May God bless you. And guys, don't forget, I want to say, guys, if you want to support me on tiling my modern toilet in terms of tiles, you can do. You can say, oh hello baby, I want to fix you 1 washroom, tiles from wall up floor, and then we squeeze for the next. If you want, maybe you want to tile the whole toilet, maybe the whole rooms, you can tile, guys. But for now, I'm gonna show you, I have 5 boxes in the hardware, so when I get 25 boxes I can bring and then tiling. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. I want to end my video here by saying, guys, bye bye. I love you guys, much blessing, guys. Let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.